If you follow me on Instagram, you know that my philosophy on work-life balance is that I don't need to look at each day and decide that our life is balanced. I need to be able to look back over the previous weeks or months and see balance in the long term. In residency, you definitely don't feel balanced. Really, all I did for those 4 years was learn how to be a good OBGYN physician, come home and be a good mom. I didn't have any great self-care. I didn't do any hobbies or projects. We didn't travel a lot. It was just learning to be a good OBGYN and being a mom. So when I got out of residency, I knew I wanted to be able to have better balance. And part of that for me was signing a contract at my first attending job where I could have a weekday off each week. And I decided ahead of time I would use that to kind of achieve whatever balance I felt like was a little off at that time. So, you know, if 1 week I've been working a ton and I haven't seen the kids at all, maybe I'll just spend the whole day with the kids. If I've been working an appropriate amount, I've been hanging out with the kids as much as I want to, I might spend that day off on self-care, getting my hair cut or going to the doctor or the dentist or working out. I don't really do that very much, but maybe I should make that what I do because that's definitely not in balance right now. Either way, right now, I feel like I need to focus on spending a little bit more one-on-one time with each of my kids. This is hard when you have all these things to do and 4 kids. And so today, I'm keeping Milo home from school. We're going to have a special mommy-Milo day, go do fun things, hopefully hang out and just love on each other. So taking you guys along with us if you want to come, and hopefully it will be a great day. I am excited, and yeah, I love doing this. This is like probably my favorite way to spend my day off. So, you ready, bud? All right, you ready to go get dressed? 1, 2, 3, clap.
Happy birthday to you.
1, 2,
Oh, clap.
okay, 3, clap. We're ready to go. Okay, good. We are headed out now. We are going to go get a snack and a drink and then head to a little play place in town that is so much fun. Hopefully spend a couple of hours there playing and then grab some lunch and get home before Milo falls asleep. If you are a parent, you know falling asleep in the car means we don't take a nap. Not taking a nap means we're grumpy. We don't want that. You know, you do the whole like rolling down the windows thing like, hey kid, let's turn up the music. Let's sing along. Baby shark, do 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 do. Look at that. Look, a tractor. Hey, a car. Don't fall asleep. Hey, are you asleep? Don't fall asleep. Do you want to hold my phone? You can do anything you want with the phone. Just don't close your eyes. Yeah, that's basically what you do when you're a parent. ready?
Huh?
Don't you go to sleep. Okay?
Okay.
Can you stay awake?
Okay.
Are you tired? Don't you go to sleep. Are you awake? No, don't sleep. Stay awake.
No,
Why?
I'm sleeping.
What do you see outside?
A dog.
What's the dog say? Milo, what you doing? Don't go to sleep, okay? Milo.
I'm not sleeping.
Okay, good deal. Keep it that way. We made it home. I had to finally let him watch Daniel Tiger on my phone to keep him from going to sleep. We're gonna eat lunch. I'm gonna get him down for a nap and then hopefully get this messy house picked up a little bit. Definitely nap time. You ready to take a little nap? What are you gonna watch on TV for a minute?
As a witch.
What does the witch do?
Dragon.
She sees a dragon? What color is it?
Red.
A red dragon and a witch?
Yeah.
And what happens?
I get it. I get the witch.
And you're gonna take a little nap?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
No.
it's nap time.
Not bedtime.
Give me a kiss.
Not bedtime.
It is, it's nap time. Give me a kiss.
It's not school day.
It's not a school day, but you still have to take a nap.
You take a nap.
Just a little rest in mommy's bed, okay? I'm going to try to get this place cleaned up a little bit while he takes a nap. We kind of operate on a choose your battles modality around here, and today I did not feel like battling over the toys that are all over the living room, so I'm just going to take 5 minutes, clean them up myself, and he can pick them up next time. You can't win them all. That's like parenting lesson 101 for me. You can't win them all. All right, let's get this pigsty cleaned up. Milo's favorite blanket. He likes to put his hands in the pockets and chase us all around being the monster. It's so funny. This will stay picked up for approximately 4 minutes after Milo wakes up or after the other kids get home. Maybe less. What's he doing? Did you get a good nap? Have you had a fun day with mommy? Did you have a fun day? No? Maybe he didn't have any fun with me. Did you have fun today? Can you tell me if you had fun? I had fun. I had fun with Milo. Okay, we're gonna wrap this vlog up. We're gonna go to the store and we're gonna go get your sisters and your brother. Bye friends, be kind to each other. Mwah.